Good, happy morning to you guys. Today is my daughter's sweet 16th birthday. It's just bittersweet because, you know, I can't believe she's 16 years old today. And my husband is on his way to go pick up her car. She is getting a car today for her birthday. Actually, it's a gift from one of her family members, which is absolutely amazing. Actually, it's from her grandmother, so she's tickled to death about that. It's a nice little, oh, I forget the name of it, but it's a nice little like SUV for her. She's going to absolutely love it. She's getting ready to get her temps very soon, within the next few days. So she's super excited about that. I asked her what she wanted for breakfast this morning, and she has chosen my homemade, what am I making here? Obviously it's with potatoes, right? I am making my homemade hash browns, cheddar hash browns. These are absolutely delicious. She wants those and some eggs and some toast with jelly. I mean, that's not really a big birthday breakfast, but that's what she wants, and that's all that counts. You can get this recipe right on my channel here. I have this recipe and it is absolutely amazing. So make sure you look for that, my homemade cheddar hash browns. But I'm going to go ahead and get these shredded, and then I'm gonna wash the fingers. And then I'm going to soak them in a little bit of cool water so the starch can, you know, come out of them so they don't get all sticky and gluey, and they're absolutely delicious. But let me go ahead and get this done, and then I'll show you exactly what I'm going to put in. Alright, once I've got all my water drained out of there, see how nice and white looking they are, because I let them soak in a little bit of cold water for about 5 minutes, and then I just squished them dry. We're going to add some black pepper, and then I like to add minced onions. Okay, oh, there, minced onions. Just going to take the lid off of it. Ooh, I think I snorted that pepper. I'm going to sneeze in a minute. And then I also like to add a little bit of onion salt, but I don't have any, so we're going to add some onion powder. The ambulance going by. It's not good. And because I'm not using onion salt, I'm going to add an additional little bit of salt. Not a whole lot. And then we're going to add some mild cheddar. You can use sharp, you can use mild. Actually, you can use any type of cheese you want to use. If you want to make them like a Mexican type, you can do that. Like a Mexican, I can't even think of what I'm saying here. I'm trying to call it an omelet. It's not an omelet. Cheddar hash browns. Chimney Christmas. Add some cheese. I've got probably about half a cup in there. Those were like 4 medium-sized potatoes. And you just kind of mix it around with your hands. Oh, it smells delicious already. And then what you do is you just take it right over the stove and fry them up. Now what I've got in here is just a little bit of vegetable oil. You can use canola oil. You can use any type of oil you like. I prefer not to use the olive oil because it has, you know, a little bit of different taste that you really don't want to add to your hash browns. I don't want to anyway. And my pan looks like it's nice and hot. So we're just going to put them right in the pan there. And just kind of push them down. You might need to add just a little bit more oil in the cooking process. That's totally up to you. But the less oil that you add, the browner they get. And you also want to make them you know, kind of flatten them out a little bit because you want them to be a little bit thin because you want those potatoes to get done. I can probably get about 3 of them in here. And we're just going to fry these on about medium until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, look at those hash browns. Don't they look absolutely amazing? Now we're making our scrambled eggs. This is part of my new cookware set that I got for my, not for my birthday, for Christmas. And I absolutely love it. You know, I should do a video of what I got for my birthday. Oh crap, I said it again. I meant for Christmas, not for my birthday. Now I want you to look at that. Isn't that a breakfast of champions for a happy 16th birthday? Not a lot of work, but a lot of love put into it.